I mean, my bro.
I'm back here. Since what now?
I need what's new now. Oh, it's me that you now, bro.
My name is Chudu Kafo, guy.
God damn, you know, Igbo guy, me that, bro.
No, guy. Bro, I'm not Igbo. Don't call me Igbo, guy.
Your name not Chinedu now.
I'm from Delta State, bro.
Delta now, which language now you speak for there?
It sound like Igbo, but not the Igbo, guy.
But even now, we premium Igbo with that.
No put like Igbo for there, like. I'm from Delta.
So when your mama call you Chinedu now, under which tribe is you fall under?
Bro, I start to be Igbo now, guy.
Oh, you be Igbo now. You be Chinedu, your mama is say Okpa. You be Chinedu, bro.
I start to be Igbo, guy.
Yeah, you Igbo. What's up now, bro?
The young man there is a content creator. He is making content showing the world how some Anyama people deny their Igbo identity. The other guy there asked him, "What is your name?" He replied saying that his name is Chinedu Okafor. The other guy told him, "That means you are Igbo." He replied saying, "No, that he is not Igbo, that he is from Delta States." Some Anyama people believe that because they are found in Delta States, they are not Igbo people. They believe that Ndi Igbo are only those Bia-speaking people that are found in the southeast. That is why if you ask them, "Are you Igbo?" they will tell you no, that they are Delta, that they are from Delta States. That is because they believe that any Bia-speaking person indigenous in Delta States is not Igbo. That is the problem of state creation. Some indigenous Igbos in Edo State will tell you that they are not Igbo people, that they are Edo States. If Delta State stops existing as a state, what is your identity? If Edo State stops existing as a state, what is your identity? The most confused people in Delta State are those Anyama people that say that they are not Igbo people. The most confused people in Edo State are those indigenous Igbos in Edo State that don't know where they belong. They don't know their identity. The most confused people in River State are those Igbos in River State that say that they are not Igbo people. You are not Igbo, you are from Delta State. Is Delta State a tribal identity? If you are from Okwane, your tribe is Okwane. Your ethnic nationality is Igbo. Okwane is an Igbo tribe. If you are from Ika, your tribe is Ika. Your ethnic nationality is Igbo. If you are from Enuane, your tribe is Enuane. Your ethnic nationality is Igbo. Ikwere is an Igbo tribe. Oba is an Igbo tribe. Ekpe is an Igbo tribe. Eche is an Igbo tribe. Ukwane is an Igbo tribe. Ika is an Igbo tribe. Enuane is an Igbo tribe. Ukwane is not an ethnic nationality. Why are they not ethnic nationalities? It's because they are the same people. Ukwane people and Ika people are one people. They understand each other's language. Calling Ukwane a separate ethnic nationality from Ika is rubbish. It does not make sense. Calling Ukwane people a separate ethnic nationality from Ikwere, it does not make sense. That is because they are the same people. They speak the same language. They observe the same culture and tradition. That is the same way it is in the southeast. Nri is an Igbo tribe. Arochukwu is an Igbo tribe. Afikpo is an Igbo tribe. Izi is an Igbo tribe. Abreba is an Igbo tribe. And so on. If you say that Ikwere is an ethnic nationality, then Arochukwu is also an ethnic nationality. You can also say that Nsukka is an ethnic nationality. It does not make sense. Every Bia-speaking people in Nigeria are one people. The name that holds them together is that name, Igbo. That is why every Bia-speaking people are called Ndi Igbo, Igbo people. Igbo is a nation. A nation is made up of tribes. clans, and kingdoms. Why are tribes, kingdoms, and clans that have the same thing in common, that speak the same language, called a nation? They are called a nation because they are one people. They are related by blood, ancestry, and origin. Ukwane people speak Igbo language. The name of their own Igbo dialect, the name of the way they speak is called Ukwane. Same with Ika people, same with Ikore people. Ukwane is a region of a people that speak the same dialect. That makes them a tribe. When you come to Ezechime communities are called clans. Onichubo clan, Obio clan, Iseluku clan, and so on. They are called Ezechime clans. They are also kingdoms because they are being ruled by kings. Ubuluku is a kingdom. Aguleri is a kingdom. Arochukwu is a kingdom. That is because these communities have kings. That is why I said that a nation is made up of tribes, clans, and kingdoms. They are one people. That is why they are called a nation. Ukwane people are part of Igbo nation. Ikwere, Oba, Ekpeye, Ika, and many others. They are part of Igbo nation. The name that holds them together is Igbo. If you are from an Igbo speaking community in the South, you are an Igbo person. Igbo are indigenous in 3 geopolitical zones: Southeast, South, and Middle Belt. Igbo are indigenous in Kogi and Benue states. They are indigenous in the Southeast. They are also indigenous in the South. All South states. All together, Igbo are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. Your name is Chinedu Okafor and you are saying that you are not an Igbo person. The language of your community is Igbo, yet you are saying that you are not an Igbo person. It's very bad. For the content where that boy make, see how he dey explain. That is how so many Ukwane people that are denying their Igbo identity are explaining. Are you Igbo? No. They will start explaining how they started speaking Bia language, how they started bearing Chukwuma, Okafor, why they are not Igbo. Go to other ethnic nationalities in Nigeria. Some of them trace their ancestry to Fulani, to Hausa, to Nupe. Different people entirely, because they now speak a common language. They now see themselves as one people. Come to Anyoma land, you will see some Ukwane people tell you that they are not Igbo people. The worst part of it is that they will be telling you that they are Bini people. What is the name of that ancestor that left Idu land and gave birth to your community? They will start mentioning Igbo name. That is because they don't have a well-detailed history about themselves. The British and the federal government of Nigeria divided Igbo to the extent that an indigenous Igbo person in the South will be telling you that he is not Igbo because he is not located in the Southeast. If Anyoma land is part of the Southeast, you won't see an Ukwane person telling you that he is not Igbo. You won't see an Ika person telling you that he is not Igbo. You won't see an Oshimiri and an Yocha person telling you that he is not Igbo. But because they are located in the South, the Biafra war now came. They now started denying their Igbo identity to be accepted by the federal government of Nigeria. Ukwane people are saying that they are not Igbo people. For Nigeria to accept them, are they benefiting anything? No. That is the same thing that is happening to Ikwere people. Deny your Igbo identity to benefit from the federal government of Nigeria. They started denying their Igbo identity, claiming what they are not. The young man said that his language sounds like Igbo, but he is not Igbo. Ukwane language does not sound like Igbo. Ika language does not sound like Igbo. Enuane language does not sound like Igbo. The language of the Bia speaking people in the South does not sound like Igbo. Their language is Igbo. Anambra language does not sound like Igbo. Enugu language does not sound like Igbo. Ebonyi language does not sound like Igbo. Abia language does not sound like Igbo. Imo language does not sound like Igbo. Ibanke language does not sound like Igbo. Their language is Igbo. Ukwani language is Igbo. Languages that sound like Igbo are languages like Igala language, Idoma language. That is because these languages have words like Chi, Chuku, Chi, Chuku. There are Idoma names that you will hear. You will think that these names are Igbo names. When Idoma people go to the north and speak their language, some northerners will start calling them Igbo. Just because some of them bear names like Chidoma. The name sounds Igbo, but it is not Igbo. Their language sounds like Igbo, but it is not Igbo. That is because we Igbo people, we don't understand what they speak, and they don't understand our own. Chukwu in Igbo language means the supreme being, but Chukwu in language like Idoma does not mean the supreme being. It might mean cup there, it might mean food there, and so on. If you go to Zimbabwe and places like South Africa, there are names there that are called Ngwele. Ngwele there have another meaning. Ngwele in Igbo land means lizard. But in South Africa and Zimbabwe, Ngwele is the name of people there. People there bear Ngwele as name. But Ngwele there does not mean lizard. Idoma language sounds like Igbo, but their language is not Igbo. But if you say that Ukwani language sounds like Igbo, but Ukwani language is not Igbo, you are deceiving yourself. Ukwani language is called an Igboid language. What is Igboid language? Igboid language means Igbo language family. Ndi Igbo have one language, and that language is the dialect that every Igbo speaking community speak in their community. Ukwani is complete 100% Igbo language. There is no special way of speaking Igbo language. Anybody where they speak Ika language, they speak 100% Igbo language. If you dey speak Onitsha, they speak 100% Igbo language. If you dey speak Abakaliki, they speak 100% Igbo language. If you dey speak Ikwere, you dey speak 100% Igbo language. No way of speaking Igbo language is superior, more better, and 100% okay than another way of speaking Igbo language. There is nothing like our language sounds like Igbo. It's similar like Igbo, but we are not Igbo. The other guy asked him, your mother named you Chinedu. What tribe does the name Chinedu falls under? He couldn't say anything. Instead, he kept saying that he is not Igbo. Your mother named you Chinedu. The name of your mother is Chioma. The name of your father is Ndoka. The king of your community is called Obi or Eze. Or the leader of your community is Okpaluku. Just like we Ukwane people that are being ruled by Okpaluku, and you will still be saying that you are not an Igbo person. If you are from Anyoma and you kept saying that you are not an Igbo person, have it in mind that other ethnic nationalities in Delta State are calling we Anyoma people Igbo people. The government of Delta State gazetted we Anyoma people as Igbo people. So if you like, deny it from now till tomorrow. You are just wasting your time. Even if Ukwane, Eka, Oshimi and Arancha people like, may they go meet federal government, they tell them say there be ethnic nationality and their own, say they not be Igbo people. Even if federal government sign up for them, okay, you people are now an ethnic nationality, they are wasting their time. Ndoka from Ogume can never become the president of Nigeria. Nnamdi from Abo can never become the president of Nigeria. That is because he is an Igbo man. Northerners will keep calling him Igbo. Yoruba people will keep calling him Igbo. Ile Ibinu people will keep calling him Igbo. When Emefiele from Abo, the SCBN governor, was accused of stealing money, the whole country started saying, na Igbo man now, so that they do. Even when Abo people were saying that Emefiele is not Igbo, so many Yoruba people were telling Igbo people in the comment section, Igbo people, shut up your mouth, you people are Igbo people. When you are in trouble, these people go remind you, say you be Igbo person. The 1966 coup was called an Igbo coup because Kaduna Nzogu, a major player in the coup, is from Anyoma land. He was tagged the leader of the 1966 coup. Why didn't they say that the 1966 coup is an Anioma coup? Instead, they tagged it an Igbo coup. And by that, they are telling you that Anioma is Igbo land and territory. If you like, keep denying your Igbo identity. Other people in Nigeria will keep calling you an Igbo person. That is because you are an Igbo person. Anioma people, stop denying your Igbo identity. Ikwere people, stop denying your Igbo identity. Indigenous Igbos in the South, stop denying your Igbo identity. We are Igbo people. Igbo bofu. Ishewale.